Presenting a pre-owned 2017 MINI Clubman. 2017 MINI Clubman Cooper S. Compact size, maximum fun. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a 6-speed transmission. This Mini has less than 86,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Step into the world of the 2017 MINI Clubman Cooper S, the compact car that's big on personality and power. Dressed in thunder gray metallic, it packs a 2.0L turbo i4 with 189 horsepower and 207 lb-ft of torque. Inside, the black pearl leather interior blends comfort with style, while premium factory features like a panoramic sunroof and premium sound system elevate every drive. With less than 86k miles, averaging under 10k per year, this Mini is fuel efficient at 22 city/31 highway mpg, fun without constant gas stops. Plus, it comes with a clean Carfax and is in excellent overall condition, so you can cruise with confidence. From daily commutes to weekend adventures, this Clubman is your ticket to excitement. Don't miss the chance to own this Mini with maximum fun. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.